Alright, got the third flight for the morning on the Warbird Wednesday. Got the F6 Hellcat from Tower Hobbies. Little $120 airplane, P&P. Still my second favorite plane. Coming up. This makes it just a spectacular park flyer. Feels like I may have the battery just a smidge too far forward. Now this one is flying on just a 3S 2200. This one here is very, very CG sensitive, I can tell you that. First couple of flights I had on this, I detested it. I was like, yeah, I'm just going to leave it here on the bench and let somebody else have it. But the more you fly it and experiment around with that CG, the better off it is. Alright, let's try to keep it in a little closer for us now. I'm just trying to get a feel for it. I haven't flown it in a while. Let's come off the throttle just a smidge. Give the ESC time to cool off. Yeah, I've noticed on this plane, if you have that battery even a quarter of an inch off, it makes a big difference on the way it handles. Like right now, it's not dialed in at all. That is, battery's about a quarter inch too far forward, and it's causing me to have to ride the elevator a little too heavy. Makes it a pig in the turns. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try to set up on a landing just to avoid crashing it out. Hopefully we get it down without it porpoising and acting out on me. Whoa, right through the big rough. I'm surprised it didn't drop the nose over. It hit that rough pretty fast, almost like an arrestor net. Alright, that wraps up Warbird Wednesday. Tower Hobbies F6 Hellcat.